Introducing the award-winning Kinesis Freestyle2 split keyboard, the ergonomic keyboard that adjusts to you. The FS2 is available for both PC and Mac and comes with your choice of a USB or wireless Bluetooth connection. Are you looking for a more comfortable keyboard that can also boost productivity? Then check out the FS2. Thanks to its unique split modular design, the FS2 adjusts to a wide range of body types and addresses the known risk factors associated with typing. With its traditional key layout and compact design, the FS2 is a breeze to adapt to and is perfect for both home and office use. Conventional keyboards force you to contort your wrist to reach the home row keys, but the FS2 allows you to completely separate the key modules, so the home row is always at a comfortable width. And with a choice of a 9 or 20-inch linking cable, the FS2 accommodates nearly any body type. As an alternative to separation, you can attach the pivot tether to splay the key modules to a comfortable angle. For added comfort, optional accessories provide reproducible tense settings of 5, 10, and 15 degrees, which elevates the thumb side of the hand to relieve forearm tension. Most keyboards have higher profiles and positive slopes, which can create painful bending of the wrists. The FS2 keeps your wrists in the proper typing position thanks to its low-profile design, 0-degree slope, and optional palm supports. We eliminated the 10 keypad to allow closer mouse placement, which reduces arm and shoulder strain. For number crunchers, we offer a standalone keypad, which can be positioned where you want it. Ever think about key feel? Custom designed, low-force, tactile key switches offer a light and gentle feel to reduce finger fatigue. And to reduce mouse clicks and awkward key combinations, driverless hotkeys are conveniently located, performing common actions like cut, copy, paste, and undo. Kinesis Freestyle 2. Your comfort, your style, your choice.